नमस्ते सबैलाई। आज म लोकसेवा आयोगले नेपाल टेलिकम प्राविधिक टेलिकम 7औं टेलिकम इन्जिनियर इलेक्ट्रिकलको सेकेन्ड पेपरको अब्जेक्टिभ क्वेसन टेक्निकल सब्जेक्टको अब्जेक्टिभ क्वेसन लिएर आएको छु। क्वेसनको एन्सर सिट लिएर आएको छु। सधैँको जस्तै आज पनि यसको की दिइरहेको छ। अब क्वेसन सुरु गरौँ। सरसर्सी अरूको दिन जस्तै एन्सर मात्रै पढ्ने छु। When a negative voltage feedback is applied to an amplifier, its voltage gain is reduced. Option A. Which of the following statement is correct for a system with a gain margin close to unity or phase margin close to 0? इसको सही आंसर हो, the system is highly oscillatory. Option C. Question number 3. Ventricular fibrillation can occur with alternating current of value more than भनेपछि यो 40 milliampere. Best answer. Question number 4. For an ideal operational amplifier, which of the following is wrong? Wrong के हुन सक्छ? यसको infinite output impedance is wrong. Option D. Which of the following is trivalent doping element? Trivalent doping element को हाइड्रोजन बोरन भनेपछि बोरन trivalent भयो. Option C. Question number 6. In a field effect transistor FET, which is the terminal coil that control the flow of current? current को control गर्ने gate. Option B. Question number 7. Which of the following statement about the control memory is correct? Correct कुन हुन सक्छ? Option D. Computer have more secondary memory than primary memory. Question number 8. Which of the following is true about microprocessor? Microprocessor को about true के भन्दा? Option C. It doesn't contain resistor है, resistor हैन, resistor. Question number 9. A group of electrical equipment used to alter the characteristic of electrical power is known as substation. Option B. Question number 10. When the specific gravity of the electrolyte of a lead acid cell is reduced to 1.1 from 1.5, 1.15 बाट 1.1 मा लाउँदा के हुन्छ? चार्ज स्टेट हुन्छ. Question number 11. Which of the following component is formed on a positive plate after the discharge reaction in a lead acid battery? Lead acid battery मा के हुन्छ? Lead sulfate. Option C बन्छ. Question number 12. In what form is the solar energy radiated from sun? Sun बाट electromagnetic wave आउँछ. Option B. Question number 13. The efficiency of the solar cell is about? Option A 15%. Question number 14. Which of the following power generation can be suitable for base load as well as peak load power generation? इसको सही आंसर हो A hydropower. Question number 15. The water hammer in case of hydroelectric plant occur at a penstock. Penstock मा बनेको हुन्छ जलसुकै. Option B. Question number 16. In a transformer, the main causes of induced current losses is due to? Option D. Induced current in a core. Question number 17. The flux produced by primary and secondary current during a transformer operation on load are in opposite direction. Load को बेलामा. Question number 18. The armature of DC generator is limited in order to reduce eddy current loss. Option A. Question number 19. Form factor for a sine wave is 1.1. Question number 20. In a series resonance circuit, the impedance above the resonance frequency भनेपछि inductive series मा. Question number 21. The power factor of series RLC circuit at resonance is unity. Question number 22. The diameter of a wire is reduced to 1/2. 1/2 मा लगेको छ. Keeping the length constant, the new resistance will be of the original. भनेपछि यसको सही आन्सर हो Option D 4 times. Question number 23. What is the main characteristic of idle voltage source? Idle voltage source को zero internal resistance हुन्छ. Option B. Question number 24. Rating of a circuit breaker depend upon? Circuit breaker को rating सबैमा डिपेन्ड गर्छ. All of the above. Option D. Distance protection scheme is mostly suitable for dot protection, transmission line protection. Option D. Question number 26. Basically, a light arrestor is a source. Option A. Source diverter. Question number 27. In a full scale deflection, current of multimeter is 50 microampere. No, milliampere. पनि हैन. What is the sensitivity is? Sensitivity यसको कति हुन्छ? Question number 27 को यसको हिसाब गर्दा 20 किलो ओम पर भोल्ट आउँछ। क्वेसन नम्बर 28 वाच अफ द फलोइङ रेकर्डर गिभ द स्लो रेस्पोन्स दिने ग्याल्भानोमेट्रिक हो। क्वेसन नम्बर 29 व्हिटस्टोन ब्रिज युज टु मेजर द व्हिटस्टोन ब्रिजले रेसिस्टेन्स नाप्छ। क्वेसन नम्बर 30 विच अफ द फलोइङ इज नट अ फिचर अफ गुड कन्ट्रोल सिस्टम को फिचर कुन होइन? स्लो रेस्पोन्स होइन। र कुनै पनि क्वेसनको एन्सर फुल एक्सप्लेनेसन चाहिएको छ भने कमेन्ट गर्नुहोला, म प्रोभाइड गर्नेछु।